Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Today, I will teach you how to pronounce words correctly through the vowel rules or principles. First, do you know what the vowels are?
Yes, ma'am. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U.
That's correct, Jamie. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. So today, we will be discussing the correct pronunciation of words with vowel sounds. The first rule is, in words containing a single vowel letter at the end of the word, the vowel letter usually has the long vowel sound. The examples are be, he, so, no, flew, and do. The first rule says that if a monosyllabic word has a single vowel at the end, the vowel sound is long. So to pronounce the word be and he, we will use the long vowel sound E. And for the words so and no, we will use the long vowel sound O. Yes, Jamie, you're raising your hand.
Ma'am, what about the words flew and do?
In pronouncing the word flew, we do not use the long U. Rather, we use the long double O. And that is why it is not read as flew, as it should be flew, using long double O. And for the word do, we do not say do. Rather, we say do, using long double O. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you please read these words, Jamie?
Be, he, so, no, flew, do.
Good! Let's now proceed to the next rule. In syllables containing a single vowel letter at the end of the syllable, the vowel letter may have either the long or short vowel sound. The word ortho have two syllables, and that is why it is a disyllabic word. In the first syllable, we have the first vowel sound, which is O, a short O sound. And we have the end vowel O here, which is a long O sound. If we will pronounce this word, it is ortho. This rule has the same effect as rule number 1. Pronounce this word.
Ortho.
Thank you. The next rule is a single vowel in a syllable usually has the short vowel sound if it is not the last letter or is not followed by R, W, or L. The word bar ends with the letter R, and it is preceded by the vowel A. So A in bar is a short A sound, and that is why it is read as bar. Could you please give me an example of words that ends in W and L?
Show, sell.
Very good. The fourth rule is vowels followed by R usually have a sound that is neither long nor short. The word driver is a disyllabic word that ends in letter R and preceded by a vowel E. And the rule applies here, as it is not pronounced as drive, neither driver. Rather, it is pronounced as driver. So, the E here is neither long nor short. Please pronounce this word.
Driver.
Okay, the next rule is a Y at the beginning of a word has the Y consonant sound. Y at the end of a single syllable word when preceded by a consonant usually has the long I sound. And Y at the end of a multi-syllable word when preceded by a consonant usually has the long E sound. First, let's have the word yellow. The Y in yellow is a consonant sound because it is at the beginning of the word. Next, let's have the word sky. As you can see, Y is found at the end of this monosyllabic word and preceded by the consonant K. And that is why it is read as sky, using the long I sound. Last word, we have memory. As you can notice, Y is at the end of this multisyllabic word and preceded by the consonant R. And the rule applies here. As memory ends in Y and Y here is read as long E. Now, please read these words.
Yellow, sky, memory.
Let's now proceed to the next rule. In words ending with vowel, consonant, silent E, the E is silent and the first vowel may be either long or short. As you can see, the word Eve has the vowel E, consonant V, and vowel E. If we will pronounce this word, observing the rule, it would be Eve. The last E here is silent E, while the first vowel here is a long E. Please pronounce this word.
Eve.
Next rule is when AY, EA, EE, and OA are found together, the first vowel is usually long and the second vowel is usually silent. So, the first vowels are long while the second vowels are silent. For example, in this word, the A is long and the Y is silent. And that is why it is read as say. Another is EA. The E here is long E and the A is silent. That's why it is read as meet. Next, for the EE, the first vowel E here is long and the next one is silent. That's why it is read as deep. And for OA, the first vowel O here is long and the next one is silent. And that is why it is read as goal. Would you please read these words?
Say, meet, deep, goal.
Very good. Let's proceed with the next rule. The vowel pair O may have either the sound heard in cow or the sound heard in crow. For the vowel pair O, we only have two choices, such as cow and crow. Please give me an example, Jamie.
Now and throw.
That's correct. Moving on, the next rule is when AU, AW, OU, OI, and OY are found together, they usually blend to form a diphthong. AU here is read as O, and that is why this word is pronounced as cos. The next diphthong is AW. AW is also read as O, so this word is pronounced as claw. Another diphthong is OU, and it could be read as U, as in should. And the next diphthong is OI. OI is read as oi, as in coin. And the last diphthong, which is OY, this is also read as oi, as in toy. Could you please read these words?
Cos, claw, should, coin, toy.
That's right, Jamie. Let's continue. The next rule is the sound double O is either long, as in moon, or short, as in book. The double O sound could either be long or short. Please read these words.
Moon, book.
That's good. And for the last rule, if A is the only vowel in a syllable and is followed by L or W, then the A is usually neither long nor short. For example, in reading the word ball, we do not say ball or bail. It is ball. And the A here is neither long nor short. Another example is the word law. We do not say lao or leo. It's law. And the A here is neither long nor short. Would you please read these words?
Ball, law.
Very good, Jamie. That's all for the vowel rules. You may check our group chat for today's activity. See you next meeting!